Have you ever struggled to choose the right temperature indicator? Should you go for digital or analog? Today we will break it down in a simple and practical way so you can make the right choice for your application. Let's get started. First, let's start with what is temperature indicator. A temperature indicator is a device used to measure and display temperature, whether it's in a factory, lab, or even at your home applications. They are classified into two main types. First one is analog temperature indicator and second one is digital temperature indicator. But the main question is, which one is best for you? Let's compare them. First, let's start with analog temperature indicator. Analog temperature indicator is the traditional mechanical way to measure the temperature. Now, let's check how do they work. They use physical properties like liquid expansion, bimetallic strips, or gas pressure to indicate the temperature. The temperature reading is displayed on dial or scale. Let's take one example here. Mercury thermometers uses liquid expansion, and second, dial thermometers uses a bimetallic strip, and third, gas or liquid filled thermometers uses pressure changes algorithm. Now, let's take some of advantages of analog indicators. They are simple yet cost effective, no power required, and also reliable in extreme conditions. And their main disadvantages are less accurate than digital indicators, hard to read small changes, and no remote monitoring available. Now, let's talk about digital temperature indicators. Digital temperature indicators are the modern and high precision solution for your applications. Now, let's go through how do they work. Digital temperature indicator uses electronic sensors like RTD, thermocouples, or thermistor to measure the temperature. The temperature is displayed numerically on LCD or LED screens. Let's take one example here. Handheld digital thermometers used in medical or food industries. Second is industrial temperature controllers used in factories and HVAC system. And third one is smart sensor with remote monitoring that is basically used in IoT enabled devices. Now let's go through some advantages of digital indicators. They are highly accurate up to 0.1 degrees Celsius precision. It is also easy to read and interpret. Also, remote monitoring and data logging is possible in this. Their main disadvantages are required power supply, more expensive than analog one, and sensitive to harsh environments. Now let's compare them, analog versus digital. Which one you should choose? Here you can see the basic difference between analog and digital indicators. So, which one you should pick? Choose an analog indicator if you need a low-cost, rugged, and simple solution. If power supply is concerned, then also you should use analog indicator. In extreme environments like high heat or moisture are present, then also you can use analog temperature indicators. Now, let's check when you can choose a digital temperature indicator. If you need a high precision and easy readability, then digital indicators are the best option. If you want data logging and remote monitoring, then also digital temperature indicators are best. You are working with advanced automation systems and IoT systems, and also choosing the digital temperature indicator is the best choice. Both analog and digital temperature indicators have their place in the industry. The right choice depends on your needs and budget. So, tell me in the comment section, which one do you use more in your industry? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.